Today we're in Geneva, Switzerland, and we're at the Château d'Eau, the 140-metre iconic fountain here you might just be able to see in the background, and I want to show you this. A professional carbon fibre tripod by Coman, the F38. Let's take a look. This is only 42.5 centimetres high and weighs 1.1 kilograms, so it's brilliant for travel, but it'll take 18 kilogram payload on this and it'll extend to 159 centimetres. So I'm going to take it out, use it in lots of different scenarios to really test it out. Then we'll come back and do a product tour when we can look at all its different features. This is the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. I've just been recording half a dozen corporate videos on a big industrial site where we've been doing drone and terrestrial mapping. Now, can't show you those because I haven't got corporate sign off, but it really did put this tripod to the test and it performed amazingly. We're in all sorts of different environments and this was steady as a rock. It was super good. And if you've got the combo that has the magic arm, there's a 1/4 inch thread just here where this attaches, which is really handy to just put your mobile phone on and have your show notes, which is what I did. But of course you could put any attachment, microphones, lights, whatever you want on that. So that was really good. The other learning I had as well was I mounted the camera so it'd slide on from the side, so I'd have the level at the back here, so as long as I had the horizontal where I wanted it, that was superb, and then I could just adjust the tilt accordingly. So that worked really well. I was quite impressed with how this performed and it really did, as I said, pass the test. So let's just break it down now. Just to go through all the features now, this has a beautiful ball head by just turning that lever and you can rotate this. It's very smooth and it does have a float here so you can get your tilt really nicely. Just lock that off by pushing that down, and then it's got a nice swivel head, so you just loosen this off here and it'll move really smoothly and has like hydraulic dampening on it. You can just lock that off and you can just pull it out and reset it if you want it to lock in a different position. And then we've got this quick release plate here with a standard thread on it there, and you can have this to be locked or not locked. At the moment I can push it in, whereas if I pull it out and turn it, it's now locked and I can't push that. So if we just turn it here, I can now push here and this will just slide out. Now to raise the head here, you use this lever here, which it just pops up, and then you can raise that up there. Now you'll notice if I just clip these down, I can open these out. But underneath here, there is a hook where you can hang a bag. So if you want to put a bit more weight onto the unit, you can. But you can also unscrew this, and that has a key on the end of that, and we'll show you how we use that. Now, if you want to use this in a lower position, what you can do is do this in two ways. So I can release that and take this out completely. Now I've removed that. Now this does split just here. So if I want to put this closer to the ground, have the camera closer to the ground, I can either remove this lower bar and pop it back in, or I can just actually put this in this way and place my camera underneath so it's closer to the ground. So you've got a couple of options there. Now this does come with a secondary attachment here, which is for video, where this will just have a flat plate, 1/4 inch thread, and then you can put a different video head on it of your choice. Now, just to show you how this separates here, loosen the ball head and tilt it round. You'll notice there's a hole here and we can now use that to undo the Allen key in there, and you can see this now comes apart. You can pop that back in like so, and now we can get this really close to the ground. Now, of course, I've got it now so you could have your camera in portrait mode. You can have it horizontal again, like so. And to extend the legs, you've just got these rather nice levers here. And as you see, this has rubber feet on it, and we can take these off and put the spikes on for using in rough terrain. Just looking at how high this extends, we can just pull all its feet out. Super smooth, super quick to do. And there we have it. And of course we can go that high as well. I mean, if you've got a really tall subject you want to photograph, video, this is absolutely amazing. Then if you want a bit more stability, we've got the hook underneath. We can then hook our bag onto, and now that is rock solid. My honest opinion on this, it's an amazing bit of kit. I love the quality of it. The way all these parts are machined, they work so well. This Arca ball head, the dampening on it is so smooth. And this 13-ply carbon fibre, super tough, super light. It just fits in my rucksack perfectly. These legs extend out so easily. It goes as high as I want it to do. It's still really stable. This is going to stay with me all the time. You know, it's perfect on professional jobs, but for YouTube videos, for run and gun, it's ideal. So I do thoroughly recommend it. And well, I hope you found this video useful. There's a playlist of more gadgets over there. Please subscribe to the channel by clicking up there. Show me the love, and I look forward to seeing you over there.